And the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance, and now I'm singing like, girl, you know. And the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance, and now I'm singing like, girl, you know.
Hi guys, today I just going to spin my new mop pen. Let's see how it's look. Okay guys, okay, let's spin it. Oh, it fall down. Okay, let's spin it again. Okay, it is good guys. Okay, I make it and it's wow, it can spin so properly, but it is too long. Okay guys, okay, yes, wow, it's so smooth and so much nice, but still it's falling down. I don't know why, but okay, let's try to spin it properly. Okay, I spin it properly. Okay guys, okay, yes, that is good and cool also. Okay, oh guys, this is always falling down, so let it be, we will just vanish. And yeah, oh yes, nice pen. Okay guys, let's spin it. Oh wow, Sonic also I can do properly in this pen. Okay, oh, why this pen fall down I don't know, but say me in comment guys, do you like this mop pen or not? Okay guys, I like it, but it is too long guys, how I can spin it? Okay guys, okay, let's try. Okay, let's, I have it in my hand to spin it. Okay, now some I spinning it. Okay guys, this pen is so much good. Okay guys, now you just enjoy the pen spinning video. Okay, okay guys, now I going outside of my house and I spinning my pen outside of my house. Okay guys, Guys, this pen is good, but this is too long. Guys, you can see how long it is. Okay, my face small of it. Okay guys, this pen is too long, but it good for spinning. Okay guys, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my this video. Okay.